Hello everyone. This is a new series where I'll be solving 1 week preparation kit from HackerRank. So, without any delay, let's start with the program. So, the problem here is the first problem in the 1 week preparation kit at day 1. So, it's given an array of integers. We need to calculate those ratios of its elements that are positive, negative, and 0. So, consider this as an example. So array has 2 positive, 1 0 and 2 negative, and we need to calculate the number of positive elements, negative elements and the 0 element, and then calculate the ratios of them. So this is gonna be the output of it. So let's just start doing it. So before that, to start it, so I will initialize 3 variables, which is positive 0, negative to 0, and another variable to 0. So now I am gonna pass the array elements. So for that, int I is equal to 0, I is lesser than array of size, and I plus plus for incrementation of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'll check the condition if the elements are positive, negative or 0. Array of the element is, if it's greater than 0, then it's considered to be positive. I'll just increment the positive variable. Or if array of element is lesser than 0, then I'll make it as negative. Or array of element is equal to 0, then it's considered to be 0 itself. So I'm going to increment the 0 variable. So now we got the number of positive, negative and 0 elements. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'll calculate the ratios. So ratios are in terms of float. So I'm gonna take those variables in float positive ratio. So for that, what I'm going to do is I will divide the number of positive elements by the total number of elements. So the total of elements will be taken by array of size. Yeah, I'll change that afterwards. So float negative ratio negative divided by array of size, float 0 ratio 0 divided by array of size. At the last, I'll print out those ratios. So positive ratio end line, negative ratio end the line, and 0 ratio. So there is a warning over here which suggests that result of integer division used in floating point context. So in order to change that, what I'm going to do is I have something called as static cast and change that data type into float. I'll do the same thing over here. Float so now when I run the code, it will give me the result. So as you can see, the sample test case have been passed. Now I submit the code. Yeah, so each and every test case have been passed. So this is the day 1.